Introducing the Expression ET-2650, EcoTank Wireless Color All-in-One SuperTake Printer from Epson. This revolutionary cartridge-free printer, ideal for busy households, has easy-to-fill, redesigned, supersized ink tanks. It comes with up to 2 years of ink in the box, enough to print thousands of pages without ever replacing the ink, equivalent to about 20 ink cartridge sets. Now that's cartridge-free printing. It's fast and user-friendly, with easy setup and navigation thanks to its 1.44-inch color LCD screen. Print wirelessly from your iPad, iPhone, Android tablet, or smartphone. And with Wi-Fi Direct, you get network-free printing. You'll save up to 80% on ink with low-cost replacement bottles and load paper less often with its 100-sheet paper capacity. Its small size lets you save space thanks to its compact design. The Epson EcoTank ET-2650 delivers convenience and value. Scan, copy, and print with this revolutionary SuperTank printer. The new Expression ET-2650 EcoTank Wireless All-in-One Cartridge-Free Printer, only from Epson. Epson, exceed your vision.